Patent pending and under examination. It is titled The Rules of Interaction of the 3D Golden Rhombus, and it is the cognitive foundations for AI. These shapes, designed by Gary Meisner, have three interacting abilities. They either are unbound, in the same orientation, or inverted from each other. Using the variables that come from this shape, I can plug it into an equation, a methodology of Stephen Wolfram, be able to name all 60 septendecillion rules of interaction, which I have laid claim to in my patent. Septendecillion rules of interaction of the 3D golden rhombus have, let's say, 1,000 constellations per. I've magnified 2 constellations. The most complicated of the constellations would be with this 3D golden rhombus in the center and each side bound verted or inverted, or an amalgam of inverted. So we have magnified 2 random ones in the 1,000 constellations of a rule of interaction. So if we pick 3 rules of interaction, let's say 55, 125, and 10,000, this is rule 55, this is 125, and not bound is 10,000. If the black one is the rhombus of interest, 55, 125, fucking 100,000. Now, that was one time step. Because this is now the new constellation, with this white one touching the black one on that side, that is the new orientation surrounding that black one. So when we do another time step, the next one would go here or something. Additional time steps with rules of interaction being applied on the 3D golden rhombus, the shapes will grow out some way, dependent and deterministically on the rule of interaction. So, what am I going to do with these rules of interaction? With these rules of interaction, I am going to insert them, codify them virtually into virtual versions of these shapes. They will be lined with a genetic code, they will be embedded, whatever, that has activating and deactivating regions of code that activate and deactivate rules of interaction. So, let's say this shape has grown out to here, then we deactivate the rule it's been going on, let's say rule 55, and it gets out to here from that shape starting, and then all of a sudden we activate rule 77 and it starts going this way. Then we activate rule 125 and we go this way. And then it goes back for a different rule. That is how we will design AI, activating and deactivating regions of code.